And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to center your view. Just a quick tip today, but it's a quick one that's going to help you in many ways. I've got this photo right here and I can hold control and use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Let me just go to the right, and if I want to go to the center of this photo, I'll press Shift J. It's going to keep the zoom level, so let me go up. I'll press Shift J, I'm at the center again, but it's the same zoom level. Let me go to the bottom right and I'll zoom out. And if I now press Shift J, the photo is put in center, but we're still zoomed out. You can also find this function up here on the view, Center Image in Window. And there's another helpful short key, which is this one, Fit Image in Window, and this is Shift Ctrl J. So this one doesn't just center it, it also brings the zoom level to your window size. So if you zoom in and out and you want to go back to a 100% view, just press Shift Ctrl J. And this is how you can center your view in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.